Yes, brothers, sisters, I do this boy. Cooking with Sindaco, I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm Winneba in the central region, and it's locally known as Simpa. Over here, the main occupation is fishing, so eating fresh fish is something normal. So in this video, I'll be taking you to the seaside to get some fresh fish for our food, and also I'll be teaching you how Fantes fry their crispy and crunchy fish. Man, you can't go wrong with Fante people, no? And we use the same fish to make stew. A bit chill, same way, chill. And when the stew is ready, it can be served with banku, dokono, rice, ampesi, whatever. Just name it. Akpele. Man, a lot of things that you can eat with the fish. Man, the fish is so crunchy that you need it. It's very crispy. You need it. You really need it. This is how Fantes fry their fish. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stick and stay. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you subscribe if this is the first time watching, and turn notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Alright, Kodo, let's do this. Before we start this video, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe. And today's video is sponsored by Lemonade Finance. So Lemonade Finance is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Canada, UK, and US to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So you can send money to Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, Benin, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Uganda. And you can do all this transaction with zero commission. You no pay any fee. Just send the money and receive in bunch in Africa. And the first transaction above £100, use the name Sindaco and get £10 cash back. Man, won't pay when up then. Lemonade Finance. Just go to Google Play or Apple Store and download the app and just fill in your details. You are good to go. Download Lemonade Finance today and make your life easier. It's fast, reliable, and they also have the best and the highest exchange rates in the market. So I went to the seaside this morning with my auntie to get some fresh fish for our stew. Gravy, yeah, Fante's called gravy. And most of the times when these fishermen come from fishing, the fishmongers will be buying the fish and they will be selling them. So if you're not lucky to get fish direct from the fishermen, you need to go and buy from the fishmongers, and that place is quite expensive. So unlucky for us, we have to go to the other side to get some fish. So we finally got ourselves this fish, and I mean, it's locally called as Wiru and Idue. Man, I don't know the English name. Sorry for that. So that's what we'll be using for our stew today. And before we get back home, we have to pass through the market to get some fresh vegetables for our stew as well, which is tomatoes, onion, pepper, oil for the fish and the stew as well. Very simple basic ingredient that you need for a stew. Man, Africa is blessed to have anything, everything, any time of the day. Arokodo. Yeah, so we went to the seaside this morning to get this fresh fish. So since this fish has scale on them, we make sure that we take all the scale off, because you can't chew fish with scale on. If you wash them, we make sure that we take out all the guts and everything. Then we season it with salt and we allow it to marinate for a while. So one reason why I said I will show you how Fantes fry their fish, that we don't add a lot of spices to our fish. Only salt is enough for us, because majority of the fish that we eat tastes good already. So you don't need much stuff to make it taste nice. Just salt and we're good to go. So when it comes to stew or in chichos, we make sure that we mix our herbs. That's why they say that Fante ladies are best cook in Ghana. Not only the ladies, they must make a hobby. Or kodo. It's time for us to fry the fish, and after washing the fish, salt was added. Nothing else, no artificial seasoning, not only salt. So we've added our salt to the fish, and we've allowed it to marinate for like 15 minutes. Yeah. So now we're about to fry the fish. So this is our small pot with the frying pan, and this is the fish. Okay, so we have our fryer. The oil is ready, and the fish is going inside. Okay, so about almost 10 minutes, we are making our first turn. So now the fish is almost ready. You put them at the edge of the pan so that the oil will drain down. Then we have our sieve over here, and we put everything inside. Yeah, so this is our fish, man. Succulent and yumminous and delicious fish. Man, crispy fish that I need to prepare some this weekend. Try this method and call me back for tips. So now that we're done with our fish, we're now going to use the fish to make gravy, which is the chichos, the Fante version. Let's do this.
Oh
So we have our basic ingredients for this stew: tomatoes, onion, pepper, and I will make sure that we wash them and chop them to the sizes that we want. We'll be using the same oil that we used to fry the fish. Yeah, we use the same oil to make this stew. So since there's a bit of fish flavor in the oil, that will make the stew so luminous and succulent. Man, to make this gravy is very simple and easy. We just added onion to the oil, we stir fry it a bit for like 2 to 3 minutes, and we added in our grounded pepper and onion to spice it up, okay? This also gives an aroma to the stew. Then we allow it to settle for like 3 minutes together with the onion and the oil. Then we added in our chopped tomatoes. So this is just a simple gravy or stew that we want to have, okay? So basic stuff, as I said earlier, basic ingredients. You will have an amazing result over here. And at this point of the stew, seeing the color of the oil, this reminds me back in days when we used to cook with palm kernel oil, ajungo. Man, my next trip I'll be doing more of palm kernel oil stew. Man, we need to bring back our organic food our forefathers ate. So after the tomatoes have cooked for a while, we now add in our tin tomatoes, 2 ladles of tin tomatoes, okay? Not that much, not the whole thing, very small amount of tin tomatoes. We are preparing proper gravy, eh? Gravy, the correct inchichos, say the definition of inchichos, yeah. Okay. We stir fry a little bit, then we add in our salt to taste. No Maggi, no additional spices to it. Just a simple recipe or simple food that we're preparing today. So after 7 to 10 minutes after adding the tin tomatoes, we now add in our fish, the crispy fish, okay? So a bit of the fish was added to it to make that chicho, that succulent kind of vibe in a way. Yeah, so make sure that you mix them together so that the fish will be uniformly mixed with the stew or the gravy. Yeah, so that's it for today. We have our sauce over here, our gravy with fish over here. Man, this stew or this gravy can be served with rice, dokono kinki, yam, man, just name it, anything of your choice. It is what it is. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I know you'll be able to do the same thing, use the same steps and the method, okay? Yeah, so let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this again. Cooking with Sindaco for Shizzle Manizo.
So ebusianfo Ghana na se wo pese wo send this kama wo mo a download the Lemonade Finance app no App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this scammer we ebusianfo a omo wo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no free, so we send this guy free, very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so ye the best on the market. And catch our ebusianfo omo abotre say some person mo send this scammer wa omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubetimi download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance free, easy, fast, and our exchange rates no so you're the best on the market.